You may be already taking your own evening walks, but do you want to find out how we are making your walks more fun and interesting? Hi, I'm Jasmine. Join me in my new series, Jas Keeps Learning, as we uncover how we are using technology for public good. Today, I'm in Punggol. I've heard that GovTech Singapore has collaborated with CDC to make our evening walks a lot more fun. So this is your chance to have a more active lifestyle while also learning about your local neighbourhood. I'm bringing in Eileen from GovTech CrowdTasksg team to share more with us. Hi Eileen! Hi! So Eileen, tell us a bit more about CrowdTasksg.
CrowdTasksg is actually a whole of government citizen engagement platform, and CDC came to us with an opportunity to make something very beneficial but mundane, like walking, more fun and interesting. It actually started with co-creating with citizens. So we actually put out a survey to ask what people would be interested to do. For example, where would they like to go? How would they like to gamify their walks even? So these little insights were actually pieced together to actually formulate the trails today. So the walk has been gamified by injecting fun elements like having different checkpoints to go to, and they are able to answer different questions at each of the checkpoints to understand more about their neighborhoods. Along the way, we have also planted this thing called CDC Ollies so that it can guide them to the next checkpoint.
I see. So a little bit like catching Pokemons. Go catch them. Alright, shall we go take a seat and find out more?
Let's go.
So Eileen, show me how it works.
Yes, of course. So when you're on the CrowdTasksg platform, you'll be able to access the Walking Trails at CDC quest. So just click Join Quest. And what you will see is a whole list of all the trails that we have right now. We are going to the Northeast Trail today.
It says avoid walking at night.
Yes, and also look out for traffic. So once you go in, you'll be able to see a map with the different checkpoints and of course the little ollies planted.
Punggol Digital District.
Yes. Okay. So right now we're at Punggol Digital District, which is the 5th checkpoint of the Northeast Trail. So if you click in, so what you'll need to do is to then take a photo.
Like take attendance, just to make sure you really made it here.
Yes. So what's next is to then answer a quick question for this checkpoint. So which is the nearest MRT to the Punggol Digital District?
Trick question. Is it Punggol or Punggol Coast?
So if you get the right answer, it will then bring you to the trail completion page. So you would get a full CDC badge if you complete the trail. Yes. So along the way, you can also collect the different ollies.
Okay, I try.
Yes.
Swipe right to find a CDC ollie. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. Congratulations! So great to hear that government agencies and citizens all find CrowdTasks quite useful. What is the impact so far?
So currently we have about 175,000 users on the platform. Together they have completed over 600,000 tasks together.
So how does a citizen join?
So they can just come to the citizen portal at www.crowdtasks.gov.sg to participate. So they just need to sign in with their SingPass and do a quick registration and to start.
So they go to work and they get a little bit bored and they open CrowdTasks and answer your questions for you.
So instead of doom scrolling these days, it's more meaningful to actually shape,
and feel like they're actually contributing to something useful.
Yes, exactly.
Well, Eileen, thanks for sharing about CrowdTasks. For me, my personal reflections are that CrowdTasks has made it so much easier for government to get responses from citizens about the services that we are designing, maybe also about policy questions that we have. In the past, it's very difficult. You have to hire a vendor to roll out a survey for you. It takes a long period of time to collect all the responses. I think it's also very useful for government and citizens to co-create the environment that we live in together and to partner each other in this journey of innovation. So thanks very much, Eileen, for sharing about CrowdTasksg. And to everyone watching, do get started as soon as you can. If you feel you don't have enough time or energy to volunteer fully, CrowdTasks is one simple way for you to get started. Join us at our next episode of Jas Keeps Learning.